Hello everyone, my name is Cam and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server that allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called Speed Limit. This plugin allows you to configure the maximum speed that any player can fly or walk. Starting out, make sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. After installing the plugin, restart and head into the config files. To get there, go to your server, click on the Files drop-down tab, and click Config Files. You are looking for a file called speedlimit.config.yml. Here is where you can configure the walk and fly speed of a player. The max fly and walk speed is 1. So here, we will change the walk speed to 0.2 and the fly speed to 0.03. After configuring the speed you want for your players, click Save and restart your server. After restarting, join your server and you're good to go. That's it for this plugin. If you have any more questions or want to check out more features that this plugin has, I will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can incorporate the Speed Limit plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.